Good morning, children. I am your social science teacher. Today, let us continue with the topic, the impact of Nazism, from the lesson Nazism and the rise of Hitler. See, children, in the previous class we have studied about how the use of media by Nazis and the peculiar features of Nazi thinking, how it was being given, and the status of women in Germany we had studied, children. In the previous topic, children in Nazi Germany were told that women were radically different from men, while boys were taught to be aggressive, masculine and steel-hearted. Girls were told to be good mothers and rear pure-blooded Aryan children. They had to teach Nazi values to their children. Women bearing undesirable children were punished and those bearing desirable were awarded. Girls had to maintain the purity of race. They had to keep distance from the Jews, look after their home and teach Nazi values to their children. To encourage women to produce more children, a bronze cross was given for 4 children, silver for 6 and gold for 8 or more children. Those who maintained contacts with the Jews, Poles or Russians were severely punished. So all this we have studied in the previous classes, children. So today let us study about the impact of Nazism. The impact of Nazism. That is, how the youth in Germany Hitler was frantically interested in the youth of the country. He was very much interested only with the youths. He felt that a strong Nazi society could be established only by teaching children Nazi ideology. This required a control over the child both inside and outside school. So now, the effects of Nazism on the school system. All schools were cleansed and purified. This means that teachers who were Jews are seen as politically unreliable and they were dismissed. If Jew teachers are there, he would dismiss them. Children were first segregated. Germans and Jews could not sit together or play together. Germans and the Jews, they were separated in the school. Subsequently, undesirable children, Jews, the physically handicapped, gypsies were thrown out of school, children. Good German children were subjected to a process of Nazi schooling. A prolonged period of ideological training was given to them. School textbooks were rewritten. Racial science was introduced to justify Nazi ideas of race. Children were taught to be loyal and submissive, hate Jews and worship Hitler. Even the functions of sports was to nurture a spirit of violence and aggression among children. Hitler believed that boxing could make children iron-hearted, strong and masculine. At 14, all boys had to join the Nazi youth organization, Hitler Youth, where they learned to worship war, glorify aggression and violence and condemn democracy. And they hated Jewish children and communists, gypsies and all those categorized as undesirable. See, these Jews, gypsies, these were called as undesirable. They were. At the age of 18, the youth had to serve in the armed forces and enter one of the Nazi organizations. See, at the age of 18 years, he had to join this Nazi troop, the Youth League of the Nazis, which was founded in the year 1922. Nazi youth it was. 18 years itself they had to join to this Nazi youth. And see, children, now the Nazi cult of motherhood. the Nazi cult of motherhood children. See here, children in Nazi Germany were repeatedly told that women were radically different from men, while boys were taught to be aggressive, masculine and steel-hearted. Girls were told that they had to become good mothers and raise pure-blooded Aryan children. Girls had to maintain the purity of the race, distance themselves from Jews, look after the home and teach their children only about the Nazi values I have told you children. In Nazi Germany, all mothers were not treated equally. They were not at all treated equally. Women who bore racially undesirable children, they were punished, and those who produced radically desirable children were awarded. So after this, ordinary people and crimes against humanity, that is, many saw the world through Nazi eyes and spoke their mind in Nazi language. They felt hatred and anger surge inside them, and when they saw someone who looked like a Jew, but not every German was a Nazi. They wanted each and every one to be Nazi German. So the Nazi killing operation was also called as the Holocaust. Killing of people through Nazi eyes. They felt hatred and anger surge inside them when they saw someone who looked like a Jew. Whomever they saw, they thought that they are Jews, and so they used to start killing them. But not every Germany was a Nazi. Now, all Germans were not at all Nazis, but the Nazi killing operation was also called the Holocaust, and it comes from the Greek word holo and kostos. Holo and kostos, which literally means completely burnt. It is used to describe the mass murder of Jews by German Nazis between 1933 to 1945. Understand, children? So, it is used to describe the mass murder of Jews by German Nazis between 1933 to 1945. They started mass killing. What they used to do, you know, they used to leave the gas in mass. People used to die, and they used to store the dead bodies in the shelves, children, in the racks. So that is how the mass murder of Jews by German Nazis started in the year 1933 to 1945, children. So here in this topic we have learnt about how they hated Jews, children. See, once again I will revise the lesson. Effects of Nazism on the school system. Hitler was fanatically interested in the youth of the country. He believed in teaching the Nazi ideology to the students. Jewish teachers who were seen as politically unreliable were dismissed from service. Children were segregated. German and Jews could not sit or play together. Good German children were subjected to a process of Nazi schooling, a prolonged period of ideological training. School textbooks were rewritten to glorify and justify the Nazi ideas of racial superiority. Children were taught to be loyal, submissive and hate the Jews. Sports were introduced to nurture violence and aggression among students. Hitler believed that boxing could make children iron-hearted, strong and masculine. So this is about the topic, the Nazi cult of motherhood, children. So I will be continuing my next class, the next topic, that is about the rise of Nazism, the Nazi and the Jews. How the war between the Nazi and the Jews took place, we are going to study in the next class. Thank you all, children. Have a nice day. I have given a small worksheet and question and answers. Please complete it, children.